70 miles an hour. You tap the brakes, and the steering wheel starts to shake. Out of nowhere, like the whole front end is about to come apart. Yeah, that. It's the kind of thing that gets under your skin. And on this 2010 Honda Odyssey, my trusty 15-year-old minivan, it was driving me nuts. Now I know the common answer, it's probably the front rotors. But I didn't want to just throw parts at it. I wanted to know. I wanted to understand. Welcome to Professor's Garage. Today, you are joining me on a month-long investigation into a brake shake that just wouldn't quit. If your car does the same at highway speeds, stick around. By the end of this video, you will not only know what fixed it, but why. Let's dig in. First up, the brake rotors. I broke out the dial indicator to measure runout on both sides. Results? Dead on. Well within spec. So not that. I also divided each rotor into sections and checked thickness variation. Still within tolerance. But I did see pet scoring. Still, before replacing anything, I wanted to rule out other suspects. Next, the wheel hubs. Same deal. Measure runout. Still within tolerance. Steering components up next. I checked the tie rods, inner and outer, and sure enough, there was play. Classic worn ball joints. So I swapped them out. Results? Steering got sharper, more precise. But that high-speed shake? Still there. Let's keep digging. Lower control arms and sway bar end links. Cracked bushings, slight movement. Not terrible, but not great either. So I replaced them too. The clunks disappeared. The whole right felt tighter, but under braking at 70 MPH, still shaking. At this point, I was determined. This wasn't just a fix. It was a mystery I had to solve. I took the rotors off again, used a grinder and pin removal pad to polish out the scoring. Rebatted the brake pads. Still no change. You can probably feel the frustration building. I sure did. So finally, after all that, I condemned the rotors. Installed a brand new set up front. Did a proper break-in. Back on the highway. Now, moment of truth. Cruising at 70, hit the brakes. And just like that, it was gone. No shake, no shatter, just smooth, stable braking. I couldn't believe it.
This is unbelievable. It doesn't shake at all. Let's give it a try again. Slow down. Wow. Zero shaking at 70, 80 miles per hour. This is amazing.
After all that work, it really was the rotors. Probably heat warped or uneven pad deposits. The kind that don't show up in run-out numbers. But here is the thing. Everything else I replaced wasn't wasted. Now the steering is tighter, the suspension is quieter, and the Odyssey feels solid. And the best part? I know, without a doubt, what the problem was. So if your car shakes when you brake, it's probably the rotors. But don't just guess. Test, observe, learn. Because that moment when you finally fix it, it's worth every bit of time and trial. And that smooth brake at 70 felt like a dream. Thanks for watching Professor's Garage. If this video helped or gave you something to think about, give it a like, subscribe, and share your story in the comments. We share this journey, one fix at a time. And remember, if Professor can do it, you can do it. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. Stay dirty. Stay safe. 平安。